day 1138 off the grid, although technically now it's just the beginning of day 1139. As you can see, it's pretty late here at MavTech. Did the Zan's World show tonight, but earlier, close that, but earlier I did some work on the studio, put in some new equipment. This Q-Tek DJ mixer here that I bought off Trade Me a month or so ago, that's now our main mix point. So this mixer and the new one that will eventually replace it when I get it will feed into this, as this one does now. And this is where all the main signals are going to be summed together and level controlled. And we've got an output which feeds through that sort of mauve wire there. That's split between the amplifier if you want a direct signal and the recording send, and it also goes to the VCR there. The main transmitter send now comes out the record outs of here, and it's fed into this mono video sound mixer into these two channels here, left and right, and of course they're summed to mono, and they just get fed to the balancing transformers here, which then feed the balance signal into the rest of the rig. So did take a little bit of thinking about the rerouting and stuff. And I had to also quickly put together this female to female RCA adapter, because I now had to connect two male lots of RCAs together to get the recording going there. The Doggo Shift is now playing. It's one of my old Metalheads shows. I don't have to worry about this music for copyright if I ever put this on YouTube, so that's why it's there. But now I'm talking against myself, so I might just mute that. There we go. Some records I played tonight: Iron Cross, Sunshine, Iron Maiden, and Joe Satriani. They were all played. Yeah, and that's about it really. Just in the packing up phase now, so this is one of the things I've got to do before I can go out of here. Grabbing a few bits and pieces I need for the car show on Sunday. And yeah, that'll be it. That'll do now for day 1138/39 off the grid.